In this video you will learn fix low Wi-Fi signal strength on Windows 11_10 tutorial. This video on demand one of my subscriber. First of all, go to search and type troubleshoot. Click additional troubleshooters. Click internet connections, then run the troubleshooters. Please follow my steps without skipping this video. After this, try it. Second method. Right-click this PC, click Manage, click Device Manager. Click Network Adapters. Right-click Update Driver. Choose Updated Driver and click Next. You need to wait. After finish, click OK and try it again. If no improvement, don't worry, there is another method I will tell you. Type CMD in search bar. Right-click and run as administrator. Type here ipconfig/flush dns, then hit enter. Next, type netwinsic reset, then hit enter. Exit. Then, restart your PC and try it. If same, try this, type in search bar network reset. Click reset and click yes. Your PC will be restart after 5 minutes. After restart, you try it must be improvement with Wi-Fi single. I hope this video helpful for you. Please subscribe my channel.